Hello, and welcome to the SAP Partner Management broadcast. My name is Sunil Dandekar. I'm part of Global Partner Support Team, a part of AGS. It is my privilege to speak to you today about the topic Incident Management for Integrated Partner Solutions. In today's agenda, we will cover the basic SAP support infrastructure, which has been existing for 20 plus years, and we'll see how partners can leverage from that technology to integrate into SAP's support backbone. We will see about the three scenarios which are provided from Solution Manager. So that's the goal of this topic. As you may be aware of, SAP provides support to its customer with a state-of-the-art technology, what we call as the SAP support backbone. The support is seamless, complete transparency from the customer standpoint, from SAP standpoint. There is a whole knowledge base available on what we call as service marketplace. It is a central hub which is available for all SAP customers. This technology has been extended to the partners. Partners can leverage from this seamless integration, and we will see how Solution Manager, SAP's product, can be used to integrate into service backbone and give a seamless support to the customer incidences. We are focusing on the partner products which are used by customers and integrated into SAP solution. So the seamless integration brings in a lot of benefits to the partners. One key point, it is a seamless integration. It is an out-of-box, configuration is straightforward, and visibility or transparency to the messages, whether it is handled by SAP or it is handled by partner. The transparency brings a key ROI to the quick resolution to customer incidences. As you may be aware of, SAP's ecosystem is pretty big. It has a technological state-of-the-art hub which resides or takes care of 90,000 plus customers that we currently have. The integration from the customer standpoint to the SAP is seamless. Customers, when there is an issue with any solution, can open up a message, and the integration, with the help of the integration, SAP reduces the time spent on the resolution of the message significantly. Having said that, this infrastructure has been opened up to the partners. How we will see in the detail how that works. As you can see here, SAP has what we call as a global support backbone. Global support backbone is a central hub where when an incident is created, is received, and depending on the partner relationship with SAP will be obligated to either support L1 and L2 support, or it would be handed over to the partner for the development support. So it could be qualified as whether it's an OEM scenario where SAP is obligated to do level 1 and level 2 support, or it could be an EBS scenario where partner is completely responsible to provide an L1, L2, and L3 support. So this integration is possible by implementing Solution Manager by the partner on his side. Solution Manager communicates with the service backbone, and the messages are seamlessly transferred to the partner Solution Manager, depending on the priority, depending on the status of the messages. So let's quickly look into the process flow, how the messages flow from customers to the backbone to the partners. As you can see, when a customer needs some help, they go or create a message on a service marketplace, or it can be created from their own solution manager. The message has to be assigned in a particular component. The message has to be assigned a particular priority, and all the relevant information has to be provided into that particular message. When the message is received in what we call as SAP support backbone, it is picked up by the primary support, and depending on the qualification or whatever the information is provided into the message, and depending on the categorization of the particular partner, the message is either supported by SAP or it is handed over to the partner. If the message is handed over to the partner, the message flows through and moves over to the partner solution manager. So what happens in this case is partner has a complete transparency of the message processing. The messages receive in almost real time, so there is no delay in forwarding the message. And depending on the issue, the partner can reply to the message with either a log file or some configuration steps and send the message back to the customer. This infrastructure helps in keeping the transparency between the customer and between the customer, SAP, and the partner. As it is almost real time, less time is spent in chasing the people around. Finding the right people is not an issue because the message is always qualified by in the right component. As you may be aware, SAP, from its technological infrastructure, has a direct access to the customer landscape. For an example, if an issue permits or warrants access to the customer landscape, then the infrastructure is available where you can remotely log in to the customer landscape. The login is secure. The login is read-only access. Nobody can make change to the customer solutions. This benefits of the remote access are provided to the partners. The partners can basically use SAP's infrastructure and remotely log into the customer solution. By this technology, it eliminates the time spent on establishing a unique connectivity with each customer. It basically brings forth the state-of-the-art technology in front of the partners. This technology is secure, and it is there are two types of connections which are offered, one is SAP R3 connection, what we call as SAP GUI connection, and another is NetWeaver connection. This is again secure, it is authenticated, it is logged. So from the security perspective, the customer is protected, SAP is protected, and the partner is protected. So to close the topic, you can find some more additional information on Service Marketplace, which is service.sap.com/sw-partner. On this website, you will see all the relevant information about the scenario that we just discussed. I thank you for giving time to listen to my podcast. Thank you very much.